Hello everyone, and welcome to Java Foundations. This is the second module 1-2, and we're going to delve into the story of Java, its brief history. In this lesson, we'll explore the following objectives: show examples of how people interact with Java in their daily lives, summarize the history of Java, and understand Java technology product groups. Let's kick things off by recognizing a milestone. 2020 marked the 25th anniversary of Java's initial public release. That's a pretty big deal. You know how much legacy this language holds. Java is a tool used for different purposes, and it's ubiquitous. From laptops to scientific computers, Java is the global standard. Java is one of the most widely used development languages in the world today, and it runs on 56 billion devices, which means you most likely interact with it in many ways on a daily basis. Java has helped shape the world and influence it in numerous ways. As you can see in the graphic, Java is now the standard. But Java isn't sitting still, it's constantly evolving. Java 8 released in 2014 brought new features, one of the most significant versions to date. However, choosing Java 8 prevents developers from being on the cutting edge of Java development. And who's in charge? Java programming language is now considered open source, with Oracle being the steward of the language, but not only the source. Java moves to a 6-month cadence, meaning there are regular updates to Java released every March and September. Java's had an interesting story. It began as a team effort for Sun Microsystems and acquired by Oracle, and is now in the cloud. So, how did Java actually start? Once upon a time, back in the 1990s, Sun Microsystems started a research project to extend the power of network computing to consumer services. They felt there was the frustration in using C++ as Sun, which is why the Green Team decided to work to produce Java. The Green Team, a team led by James Gosling, developed Java as their solution. He is considered the father of Java. But the initial concept never came to fruition with unsuccessful deals. So the Green Team pivoted and made Java useful on the web as a developing tool for web multimedia components to enhance web pages. Initially, the awk language was useful for small applications, and programmers decided to use it for the Java programming language. Java would be incorporated by Netscape in 1995, and Sun would be acquired by Oracle in 2010. Duke is Java's official mascot and was designed by Joe Palrand. As shown in the graphic, Alpha and Beta were released in 1995, and Java continues to evolve. There are 4 Java product groups in the Java ecosystem: Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, Micro Edition, and Java Card. This graphic explains each of the groups and their target device types. Be sure to remember this information, as it's likely to be in the quizzes. Java is useful for servers, desktop, embedded, TV, mobile, and cards. The figure illustrates the Java technology product groups and their target device types. There is Application Programming Interface API, it's a term we'll use in the future, Blu-ray Disk Java, BDJ, and Mobile Service Architecture, MSA. The rest are self-explanatory. One of the Java product groups, Java SE, is used to develop applications that is run on desktop computers. Another Java product group, Java EE, is used to create large enterprise and server-side applications. Jakarta EE is used to create large enterprise server-side and client-side distributed applications. For example, you can use the Jakarta EE JDK to create a web shopping, an e-commerce application, for a retail company's website. Jakarta EE is built on top of the Java SE platform, extending it with additional support for large-scale, high-performance enterprise software. Some of the kinds of functionality supported include objects, UI, integration, persistence, transactions, and security. Java ME is for devices with limited storage, like Raspberry Pi, smart cards, PDAs, and 1.4 billion Java cards are manufactured every year. There are 5 billion Java cards in use that can run securely on smart cards for security, identity, transaction, and mobile SIM purposes. In summary, we discussed examples of how Java works with others, the history of Java, and Java product types. That's it for this module. Thank you.